Week 2, lesson 5. All right, so further building on that mixed product, if you take the mixed product and you multiply it by 1/6 or divide by 6, you end up with the volume of a triangular-based prism. Now, the most important part of this is that all three vectors that you use have to have the same tail, right? So notice the example that I've given you, this isn't really labeled, right? So I am going to label it so you can kind of see what the same tail means. So if I label this as A, and this is B, and this is C, and this is D, I'm going to use A as my common tail. So you can kind of see that I'm going to have vector AB, vector AD, and vector AC, and with those three vectors all coming from the same spot, this formula will work wonderfully. All right, so just again, this should be review, vector AB and vector AC and vector AD. You find all of those by doing head minus tail. All right, again, don't forget, in the head is the part that has the hat, and we've already designated A as our common tail. So if you do the subtractions, and again, I'm doing this quickly because I want the videos to remain short. Feel free to pause and figure out A, B, AC, and AD all on your own. But AB should be 1, 1, 1. AC should be -4, -1, and 2. And AD should be -1, -6, and 6. So now that I've got the three vectors, I'm going to pick two of them. All right, I'll pick two, and I'm going to do the cross product, which is going to involve some expansion by minors. So it looks like I picked AB along with AC. So we get I minus J plus K. Let's see, this becomes 2 plus 1 and 2 plus 4. And again, the expansion by minors part, I'm doing it quickly only because I haven't written here on my paper. I know you can't see that, but I have paper right here next to me with the problem already done. I expect you guys to actually think this through. All right, so my resultant vector, right, the cross product results in a vector is 3, -6, 3. Based on that formula and the fact that I'm doing the mixed product, I now have to do the dot product with the vector I haven't used yet, which is AD, and I result in a number. It's -3 plus 36 plus 18, which is 51. Okay, again, that's just the mixed product. I still have to divide that by 6, and this is going to take a handy-dandy calculator and know that everything is rounded to 3 significant digits. We end up with 8.50 as the volume.